Two creative giants, Podia and Domestika, go head-to-head for creators and learners. Which one really delivers? On the left, Podia, the all-in-one toolkit for creators. On the right, Domestika, creative learning for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category gets a score, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, before we get too ahead of ourselves, let's map this out visually, like literally mind mapping it. We'll be talking about pricing, features, content style, audience and community, who each platform is for, and of course, how easy it all is to use. That way, you'll know exactly where each one shines, or kind of flops. Ready? Let's jump right in.
All right, let's kick it off with pricing. So, Podia goes all in with simple tiered plans. It's definitely affordable if you compare it to those big all-in-one platforms out there. But, and I gotta say, this is a little meh. They used to have a free plan, which is now gone. Plus, if you're not on one of their higher plans, you're looking at a 5% transaction fee. Not a deal breaker, but yeah, that's something to think about. Now, Domestika, this is where things get kind of impressive. Most of their courses are super low cost, usually in that $10 to $30 range. And honestly, those flash sales and bundles, they get me every time. The catch? You can't just subscribe for unlimited courses. And for true savings, you'll need their Plus membership. Still, for casual users, Domestika is pretty unbeatable on price. And yeah, it totally edges out Podia here.
Jumping into features and flexibility, Podia really goes all out. You can sell courses, webinars, downloads, memberships, the whole creator toolkit. Plus, it actually comes with email marketing and a website builder, which a lot of platforms make you pay extra for. Now, the flip side is you kind of hit a wall if you want fancy customization. No physical products, and if you're in the corporate world, sorry, no SCORM compliance. Now, with Domestika, it's more like the Netflix of creative learning. The course production is top-notch. Seriously, some of these are like TV documentaries, and everything fits together with community projects and forums. The downside? You can't create or sell your own course here. You're just a learner. And if you're hoping for personal branding tools or sales options, keep looking. So Podia gets the win for creators who want tons of flexibility and control.
Next up, content model. Podia lets literally anyone launch and sell their own stuff. You want to host digital downloads, courses, even memberships? You got it. But, and here's where things get interesting, you're betting on the quality and selection of independent creators. There's no official marketplace that curates everything. Domestika, meanwhile, is like the cool art school you wish you went to. They carefully choose their instructors, so you always get pro production value. The catch is, you can't just sign up and teach. You have to be invited, so it stays pretty exclusive. Honestly, both approaches have their pros and their quirks, so it's a tie for this round.
Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Domestika started out as a Spanish-speaking creative community, and now boasts courses in like tons of languages. Seriously, it's grown into a global hub for creative pros and learners. Let's talk community. Because, I mean, what's an online platform without actual people, right? Podia gives you built-in spaces for your community, especially if you're running paid memberships. It's all about empowering small groups and letting creators run the show. The trade-off? You've got to build your audience yourself. There's no mega marketplace or easy way for random folks to discover you. Now, Domestika, oh, this is a whole different beast. It's got a global crowd of creatives, from pros to hobbyists, and the peer feedback? Super lively. The forums and project galleries are perfect for getting real input and making connections. If there's a downside, it's that creator-to-creator connections are kinda limited, and the vibe is more for enrolled students. Still, Domestika really nails the community thing, so it's the winner here.
So who are these platforms even for? Like, really? Podia is made for entrepreneurs, independent teachers, coaches, basically anyone who wants to sell their own courses or digital stuff. But if you're a student looking for curated content and a big course marketplace, Podia's not really your jam. Flip over to Domestika and everything is geared towards artists, designers, crafters, photographers, creative learners in general. If you want to launch your own course and manage sales, yeah, not happening here. But for creative learning, it's top-notch. Honestly, because they target different but equally passionate crowds, it's a draw. Last category, ease of use. Podia is basically plug and play. You don't need to know a lick of code, and launching your own course or site? Super fast, super simple. Customization, though, it's not crazy advanced, more out of the box. Now, Domestika really brings that polished vibe. The platform is smooth, super intuitive, and those mobile apps and slick course players,
Love it. Something to watch out for: some courses are Spanish only, so you might be reading subtitles if you don't habla. But overall, both are user-friendly, so I'm giving this one to both.
Okay, so if you're someone who loves seeing data, here's how it's stacking up. Podia leads for creator features and flexibility, while Domestika really shines in pricing, community, and curated content. Their scores are actually closer than you might expect. It's a classic case of horses for courses. Podia is your toolkit for selling and managing. Domestika is your destination for learning and connecting.
So at the end of the day, here's my honest take. If you want to launch your own courses, build a membership site, or sell digital downloads, Podia is going to be your best friend. On the flip side, if you're all about upskilling in photography, design, crafts, or pretty much anything creative, and you want to be part of a vibrant global community, then Domestika should be your go-to. They don't really compete head-to-head because they serve different people, but that means you kind of can't go wrong whichever you pick.
So, which platform matches your goals? Creator or creative learner? Let your creativity thrive. Pick the right stage for you.